What the tech is going on, friends? This is Vicky from Indicoder giving you a warm welcome to my channel, and these are the best apps for February 2017. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's start things with Pickle. It's a new type of task management app. The look is like a chat conversation. All you have to do is just simply add some tasks, and if you want some specification, then add a hashtag. You can change the theme color, and when you want to search, you can search by hashtag to find something easily. Now game time. This is Sweep Blocks, and my god, I found this game really challenging. The task seems pretty simple, just move the blocks and touch the goal at the same time for each. You may think that pretty easy, but it gets tougher, guys. If you reach the goal in the best move possible, then you will get 3 stars, and the game is just packed up with levels. And those who like puzzles, it's definitely for them. The only suggestion I would like to give to the developers is just make the UI a bit more cute, like a material design. Next, we have a super useful app named Volume Notifications. So it allows you to change the volume directly from your notification panel instead of hitting those physical buttons. And you can specifically change the media, ringer and alarm volume from here. You get additional features like start on boot, notification priority, and you can also change its theme according to your choice. So it's gonna be really useful, guys, trust me, because sometimes we have to turn the volume before playing a media. Yeah. Now we have Action Director, which is pretty much a mini version of the popular video editing app Power Director, and the UI is pretty simple. Quickly add the videos and then start editing. You can add a fade effect between the clips, you can change the color tone of a clip, you can of course add some text and do a little bit of customization on it. You can edit the audio. The trimming of this clip is just a piece of cake. You can even add some actions like controlling the speed and reverse effect. So if you want to do some video editing quickly, then this app is perfect for you guys. Moving further, we have Best Life Hacks, and it is packed with awesome life hacks for multiple purposes. Yes, although I agree that the UI is pretty dull, but the content is super awesome. The list is almost endless and I find it really useful. And to be honest, I got to know about some useful and unique websites from this app. So definitely check this app if you like some cool life hacks. Now we have a live wallpaper app named Chronospin. And on the very first glance, it looks like a boring wallpaper with a time clock. But wait, guys. If you triple tap on it, you get the configuration option and you can configure it as your choice. And if you double tap on it, then it changes its color every time. But still, it's a boring app, right? Now magic time. Swipe up on screen and now it's turned into a fun game. And guys, it's a way lot addictive game. All you have to do is just get rid of these hurdles. And guys, it's getting very addictive to me. So isn't it a cool app? Wallpaper plus game at the same time. Moving further, we have Polygon, and it allows you to create polygonal wallpapers as your choice. You can select a gradient and customize the geometrical shape. You can change the direction and then add a lot of customization. You can change the color and you can even add a picture customly and then show your perfect editing skills. With a variety of customization, this app is an absolute stellar. Now we have a fun app named Funny Text Creator. This task is pretty simple. Type something that your mind says and change its mode. You get some cool designs like computer, binary, twist and etc. So it is not a very useful app, but definitely app to try for some times. So next we have Screenshot Utilities. It's nothing revolutionary but can come quite handy sometimes. It allows you to do a little bit of editing on your screenshots, like adding text, adding some shapes, drawing and etc. It can be quite useful for a few times to point out something particularly on a screenshot, like for some your WhatsApp messages or YouTube comments. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have some suggestions, then leave down a comment below, like this video and don't forget to subscribe anyhow. See you in my next video, guys. Peace.